Well, good afternoon. Decided to just totally redeck this portion here. This deck here is almost, well, it's about 40 years old. The framing is remarkably well, actually. It was solid underneath there. I had to replace this board. In fact, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm replacing that board. But everything else is pretty stout. And then I've got the steel out there, right over there, the rebar. I'm gonna do the railing like the rest. But this upper part is, I'm making a step here. I got a little piece to rip for there, and then I got a nosing to go right there. But this is redwood, and I just pressure washed it. And I'm gonna put bare sealer on it, but I missed a few spots. You can see here, missed a few spots, so I've got to hit those, and then but kind of dragging. Yeah, I wish I had the energy I did 40 years ago. I won't make it another 40, that's for sure. So you can see here I had to pry that up because the plate that was underneath was completely gone. The concrete, see, I've got a new piece there, but for the most part it's pretty solid. This is a little rotted here, but it's plenty stout. The next person will have to replace the whole deck, I'm sure. Yep. This world is got what, the first, second, and third laws of thermodynamics. But, and then I got my, now you can see the wood I took off. But there's my, that's going to be my balusters. Whole lot cheaper. That 20-foot section was $6. And I get, I think, 3 or 4 balusters. But here's my railing, some cedar. I'll put a 1/2-inch radius on the top. Well, kick myself in the butt here and keep going here. All right, take care. God bless.